Power?
Let's go, Denji!
Go? Go where? Whoa!
Wait, this isn't how it's supposed to.
Goodbye, Makima! So, the last film in my Chainsaw Man series just finished showing. The title spoils the ending, but I like it. Dead Explosion Makima. They're all standing up now. Let's go see their reactions.
I'm actually pleasantly surprised by the whole thing. The beach scene was really well done, and I think my acting was pretty good. My death scene was also really emotional. It's just... why did Makima have to die like that?
It was amazing! Especially the explosion at the end when it...
Yeah, the explosion was definitely the best part!
Hey! I'm the one getting interviewed here! You already had your own movie!
I always figured that Makima would be the final villain. She was weird from the start. She also acts creepy all the time.
I'm happy I survived for so long, but I think that explosion at the end was really sudden. No offense, I still think the movie was good.
That explosion in the end was so bad. Why did you end the movie like that?
It was alright, I guess. Thanks for the booze.
I think that explosion was quite cheap. It felt very anticlimactic. I don't know why you added lesbian sex scenes in the movie, but I enjoyed filming them.
Makima? The movie's over. You can stop acting like that.
From a technical standpoint, it was good. I would have changed the ending, though.
So, most people didn't like the ending of Dead Explosion Makima. There were a bunch of explosions in Bomb Girl, but no one complained about that. It doesn't make any sense. I just wanted the ending to be shocking and memorable. I'm gonna go see Power.
Denji, I've been waiting for you. Huh? Why are you sad?
They didn't like the ending.
Come on, who cares about that? I mean, it's your movie. It's how you wanted it to end, right? You shouldn't let others control how you live your life. Losing yourself like that can kill the people that you love.
Wait, what are you even talking?
And I already told you this, but that explosion was really cool! You really made it go out with a bang!
You know what? Yeah, you're right! I get to choose how I end my own stories! I have full control, and that explosion was cool!
See, I told you! My super smart saved you again.
I can't remember the last time I laughed like that. What was that you said earlier?
Which part?
Oh yeah. Wait a second. Go out with a...
Did you forget? This is Chainsaw Man. There is no happy ending.